Hey YouTube scrappers, so in the middle of tearing down a washer, I'm gonna try, the key word is try, to make this into a chicken plucker. So I'm tearing it apart very gently because I was able to get the motor turning. So anyway, I'll bring you back when I got more taken apart. This is what I got taken apart so far. I want the controls and stuff to stay like it is. So anyway, this is what I got so far. Hopefully I can get her the rest away. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, I've got her down to this. Get my hammer. Yeah. The transmission there. I don't know how that is going to work. Yeah. I don't know. I'll have to see how this works. We'll see if this still works. Oh, that wasn't good. Well, I guess back to the old drawing board, I guess. So, yeah, I don't know if I got that on videotape, that big crackle and snap. But anyway, what's in a washing machine? So this is plastic tub. I'm gonna use that out here to put little junk in. This is plastic. Oh, for you guys that don't know, I get 5 cents a pound for plastic for shred. Sorry, I know that's a hot topic to some. Wire. This is old sheet. Wire, and there's a board in there. Transmission. This is just gonna go as, I think, irony aluminum. This here, dryer drum. I gotta take this plastic off, and then I'm gonna list this for, see if I can get $20 out of it for a fire pit. See if I can take this ring off. There we go. There. And like I said, shred. And another fire pit. It's already got holes and everything in it now, so now that I actually got some energy, I sat and I had some iced lemon water, and that seems to get me going. So I would say, by the looks of this is aluminum. Huh. Anyway, I just thought one of the cars just locked or unlocked or something. Yeah, aluminum, so I'll put this in my irony aluminum pile. So, this is my junk stuff right now that I'm doing. This stuff that needs to be processed, which I'm not going to touch until I do inside. Some shred. All the tin cans we use for food, after they're emptied, we wash them and I put them in food and I get 5 cents a pound for them. So you might as well get every cent you can of the stuff. So here's a tote that has my stainless in it. Old sheet. Some of that stuff still needs to be. Oh. This is extrude. And then my irony aluminum pile. And then these 2 barrels are my number 1. Prepared steel number 1, whatever you want to call it. I gotta get the weed eater, my son in here with the weed eater. And thistles are not good on the bare legs. So as you see, I still got lots of microwaves to do. I just keep collecting. This is the Xerox machine I had the other day, so just 1 second. So I like getting dishwashers because I can fill them full of junk. I still got to take the door off of this. I don't think it's stainless, but I got to take the door, inside the door off to get the wires and stuff. Pots and pans. This here is just an empty tote that I can start filling with shred. I can put some holes in the bottom of it. Yeah, and that's about it. It's actually not raining out today. Or I shouldn't say that. It's not raining out right now. There, that's what I should say. So yeah, put that over there so I can put shred in it. Take some pictures. I got another dryer drum there and another one out back. I'll bring out and take pictures and put it on Marketplace and see what I can get. This stuff in my shred pile. Yeah, still got lots of cool stuff to take apart, like this Pure Wash Pro. Really don't know, some type of spot treatment for stains. And I got those centrifuges. I got 3 of those I gotta take apart. Okie Scrapper did one the other day, kind of neat. I think mine are a little different than his, but anyway, I'll still take it apart and see what I can do. Might as well knock these little motors off. While I'm right here. And once I clear this out, then I can. I'm going to clear that stuff out, and I'm going to bring my toolbox over there so I can take a lot of tools off of my desk. Anyway, it's coming. I'm able to get some stuff. Yeah, Scorpion Metals is saying those wires he doesn't usually sell, and I agree with his thinking. What if they don't work and you sell them and someone get upset at you? So I think I'm just gonna scrap them. See what happens. I'm gonna take the batteries out of these and take them all apart. Anyway, it's coming little by little. When I have the energy, I come out here and I'm gonna start doing, like I said before on the thing, I'm gonna start taking some tools to the local auction and see. This still works. I've just never used it yet. We'll try to sell some of this stuff just to get it out of here. Make more money selling it than I will scrapping. So anyway, remember to like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.